Hi everyone, welcome to our short video presentation. Today, I'll be showing you how our Python-based program works. This system combines two useful features, a trip planner and a car parts inventory system.
Whether you are a car owner or managing a small auto shop, this tool is designed to help you plan your trips efficiently and manage car parts inventory with ease. Let's dive into how it works.
First, we will try trip planner. Enter 1 for trip planner. Enter distance of trip in kilometer, 200. Enter cars kilometer per liter, or let's say 14. Enter price of gasoline per liter in PHP, let's say 43.5. Enter tire pressure in PSI, let's say 40. Trip summary. Estimated fuel needed, 14.29 liters. Estimated trip cost, 621.43 pesos. Tire condition, too hard. Tire pressure is too high. Please find the nearest air station. Do you want to enter another trip? No.
This part of the program is useful for ensuring safe and budget-conscious road trips. Let's now explore the second half of a system. Now, let's look at the car parts inventory system. This section allows user to manage car part in 5 simple ways.
Let's now try car parts inventory system and enter 2 for second option. It will show the following. Car parts inventory system. First option, view all parts. Second option, add new part. Third, update part quantity. Fourth, delete a part. 6, search for a part. And lastly, go back to main menu. Let's try option 1, view all parts. It will show inventory is empty because we have not yet entered any part. Let's try enter option 2. It will first show enter part ID. Let's try 01. Then part name, engine. And wait, wrong spelling. Enter part quantity 20. Price 10,000 each. Then it will say part added successfully. Let's try enter another one. Part ID 02. Part name wheels. Quantity 23. Price 4,000 each. It will say part added successfully. Then the third option, update part quantity. All you need to do is enter the part ID. Let's try 01. Then the quantity. Let's make it 100. Then now let's check it. Choice 1, view all parts. It will say car part inventory, ID 01, name, engine, quantity 100, price 10,000. ID 02, name, wheels, quantity 23, price 4,000. Now let's try option 4, delete a part. Let's say we wanna delete the part ID of engine 01. Then view all parts. You can see that the part ID 01 has now been deleted. Now, the fifth option, search for a part. Let's enter 02. Then it will show the ID of 02. Name wheels, quantity 23, price 4,000. And that is it for our car part inventory system.
This make it easier to keep track of supplies in your shop or garage, whether you're checking stock or preparing orders, and these tools simplifies the process.
To sum it up, this program is a simple yet effective tool combining trip planning and car inventory management into one console-based system. It's written in Python, easy to use, and practical for automotive enthusiasm and business owner alike. Thank you for watching, and we hope this project inspire you to create your own solution using programming.